Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Alone by Kaan Pars. So the final result will sound like this. So if you want the bass sound, make sure to check Lit Sounds 401. It's literally all you need to make this kind of style of music. Besides that, to run the product file, make sure to check my Patreon. You can download it over there. I will link it down below. So now let's dive into Remake. First gonna make a bass line sounding like this. So the preset is quite a heavy FM bass sounding like this. So let's make it from scratch. First gonna select a PWM wavetable. Lower down 2 octaves. And shape a wavetable just like this. We'll be using 6 unisons. Right now it sounds awful, but we're gonna filter it. So first I'm gonna shape as per B. It's gonna be a square wave. There's quite some unisons as well. So we're gonna detune just a little bit. We're gonna be using that to FM modulate oscillator A quite heavily, sounding like this. 2 octaves down. So without a filter, it sounds like this. So we're gonna filter it. Low 24, cut off around here. Drive up quite high. Then we're gonna route envelope 2 to it. With the sustain all the way down and a decay just around 500. So as you can hear, this already gets kind of close to the final sound. So we're gonna add sub bass to it. With direct out. So you'll get a clean sub bass. So that's it for oscillators. Now let's dive in effects. First we're gonna add some OTT. Just to open up the bass sound a bit more. Some dimension. Distortion. We'll be using diode too, just to distort the sound even more. Because we're gonna filter it afterwards. So just like this. Then the filtering, low 24 again. We're gonna shape it the same way as we did with the previous filter. Just to get it to sound a little bit more aggressive. Cutoff gonna be up quite high actually. Just around here. We're adding some drive. Then we're gonna add a chorus. Just a really small amount. There's some EQing. But we're running envelope 2 to the gains of both. So it adds more punch to it. We're gonna do the same way with the low cut. To boost the low end just a little bit. Sounding like this. So then the last thing we're gonna do is add some reverb to the top end of the sound. So put the low cut quite high. EK a bit lower. And put the master volume just a little bit. So then we need to add some punch to the sound. We're routing the envelope to the master tuning. Just like this. So altogether the sound will sound like this. And that's it for Kaan Pars Remix. So if you like the video, please leave a like, want to see more, and the subscribe button, and I'll see you all next videos.